Do you work in food manufacturing, and are you considering getting allergen awareness training but are unsure which course is right for you?
This Level 2 Allergen Awareness course is right for you if you work in food production where the products are sold at different premises or to retailers.
What you will learn in this course about food allergens will be invaluable in helping you protect customers from potentially harmful foods.
You will learn how and why some people react to allergens, while others don't.
You will learn about Natashas law, the devastating circumstances that led to it, and why it is needed.
This course will teach you about different allergic reactions from allergens and foodstuffs.
It will teach you the symptoms of allergic reactions from allergens, and how to use an auto-adrenalin injector.
You will learn the basics of the Food Information Regulations 2014 and the 14 listed allergens.
You will understand the importance of correct product labeling and precautionary warnings.
You will have the reasons for training and allergen management clearly explained.
You will learn the importance of correct allergen storage and how personal and workplace hygiene can prevent cross-contamination.
Above all, you will learn how to keep people safe and give them an informed choice about the food they eat.